been so long since I have brought you any videos, so here I'm back with a new video of unboxing a very special thing which I ordered in this Flipkart Big Billion Sale. So let's do not waste time and open this up quickly. So I ordered it from the Flipkart in the Big Billion Day sale and I got a huge discount on this one. So I'm gonna open it for you and show you what's this which I have ordered. So alright, so here are the JBL E25BT Bluetooth earphones which I ordered on Flipkart. Have a look at it and I'm gonna open it. It's too hard to open, let's cut it. Alright, so here is the JBL E25BT. I ordered blue color of it. So here you can see it's a box and here's a bill. I got this one at approximately 2500 rupees. So let's keep this thing aside and stick to the unit. So here you can see JBL Harman, it is written on the box E25BT. Some packing is good, and as you can see here, you can see it has also some buttons to next and go back to the music. And here you can see JBL signature sound, 8 hours of battery life. So guys, this, as they say in the box, it has 8 hours of battery life, but we will see later that how good it is. It has seamless switching between the device. It means you can switch from one device to another device very quickly, and it has a 3-button remote microphone with microphone, 3-button remote with a microphone. So let's not waste the time and quickly open this. And as you can see, the price which is mentioned on this box is 3499 approximately, like, but I got it at the lower price point. So let's open it. Open this. Oh, okay, so yes, okay, I tore it, but let's just it's too hard to open. Maybe it's the first time I'm opening this, or I am opening this around. Okay, so here it's a seal. I should have cut it off. Alright, so here, as you can see, here are these. Keep this apart. So here is a set of the earphones and it's open this way. So what we get, a very good leather pouch. Alright, we have something inside it. What's this? Okay, so you get a clip. I think it's a clip, yes. And apart from that, there is something else, some extra earbuds, which is good, might be become handy in some situations. And what else is inside? Okay, so a USB to micro USB cable for a charging. So we get these 3 things, and the pouch, I must say, it's of a very good quality. It gives a leather feel, and it's JBL branded, and as you can see, the leads are also, micro leads is also JBL branded. So that's it. And then we have some quick guides. It's some paperwork and quick guides. What else do we get? We get a bunch of manuals. Oh my god. Alright, so we get these paperworks too. So we're gonna keep this aside. Just go through our main earphones. So we're gonna take it out. Alright, so this is so guys, you can see I have taken this out from the box. It was quite hard to get it out from this box, but as you can see, it is wires, you can see as it is braided. It's of good quality, it looks durable. And then we have this, it's a JBL branding on this one, and then the two earphones, two ear tips, which are quite, and the blue color especially it's looking very good. I must say that here you can see the JBL branding too in this. And then there's a remote, it has microphone installed in it, and it's also JBL branded. And here you can see it's a charging port, I guess. So yes, it is a charging. It's open like this, and you can put in a micro USB in here and charge it. And as you can, we check later on that how good is it with battery life. So here's the JBL E25BT, guys. If you like my video, do comment, share and subscribe. And thank you guys, thanks for the time, thank you for watching.